2012 MKS. With standard features including an invisible keypad that senses your arrival, intelligent access keys that allow ignition at the touch of a button, and a power rear window sunshade, the Lincoln MKS is technologically breathtaking. Boasting a 3.7-liter V6 engine, it is also powerfully smart and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, CD changer, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, floor mats, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, universal garage door opener, rear defrost. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.